Welcome to Fazila's Artistry, and in today's video I'm gonna show you what you need to get started with your drawing journey. So first thing you need is paper, then you need pencil and eraser and sharpener, or you can use your anti-cutter to sharpen your pencils like this. Be careful though. And sometimes I also do need scales, rulers. And I also love to use kneaded erasers, which are almost similar to a usual eraser, but you can make it into different shapes. For example, this is an elephant shape, but for now we don't need it. So it's the basic video. So here I'm gonna show you. That's my cat. So here I prefer having three type of pencils: 2B, 4B, oh it's written here 4B, and 6B or 8B. So those three pencils are more than enough. I'm using an HB pencil, though we don't use HB pencil, but for now I'm gonna show it to you so that I can show some difference in the camera. So this is done by HB pencil, but we don't use HB for drawing, but we can use from 2B. But HB, it's up to you, but my teachers taught me to use 2B and higher. So this is 4B pencil, because right now I don't have 2B pencil, I think, or somewhere hidden, I don't know. You can see the darkness is a little bit higher for 4B pencil, and for 6B pencil is higher than 4B pencil. And then the boss 8B pencil, it will have darker color. Oh, the color is same, but the shade will look darker. So you can just get started with sketches using only pencils and eraser. You don't even need rulers, and sometimes you don't even need those kneaded erasers. But still, if you like kneaded erasers, or you think your artwork has improved more towards detailed sketches, then you will need these kneaded erasers. Another thing that you need while sketching is this brush, any type of brush to blend the color, the pencil, whatever, to blend it. And sometimes I need it. Whenever I don't have much things around me, then I just use cotton pads, and then it blends better. I think it blends better. Yeah. The cotton better not be dirty, otherwise it will ruin your artwork. I can't find much more things to put in basic, because you just need to get started for just starting your artwork. So you might need these to blend, but sometimes you don't even need these. You can replace these by cotton buds. I believe you know what cotton buds are. These are like things like this. I know it's really dirty. Oh, it fell off. So yeah, cotton buds. can replace those things, so you don't even need those. So what you need is cotton or cotton buds. If you wrap the cotton around, it will be a cotton bud. Yep, I just made my very first cotton bud. So you can blend using this. So this is what you need: the pencil, 3 types of pencils, 2B, 4B, 6B. You always will need eraser, and sometimes you might need brush. So these are the things, and paper you will need to get started. So let's not procrastinate anymore, and you can just get started right now without giving any excuses. But for me, it's the end of the video. I hope you watched till the end and you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, if you want to see more of these videos, then you can subscribe to my channel. Bye.